In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Slack workspace. By the end, you'll have a fresh workspace ready for your team, with your first channel in place and a clear path to inviting colleagues. First, begin on the Slack Get Started page in your browser, or open the Slack app and choose Create a Workspace. Both paths lead to the same setup flow, so use whichever is most convenient. If you're on the web, make sure you're using a modern browser for the smoothest experience. Next, verify your email. Enter your work email address and look out for a 6-digit confirmation code that Slack sends to your inbox. If it doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment and then check your spam or promotions folders. Copy that code and paste it back into the Slack setup window to confirm you have access to that account. This step keeps your workspace secure and ties it to an email you control. After that, choose a name for your workspace. Pick something clear and recognizable, like your company or team name. The name appears in the sidebar and in invitations, so make it something your members will instantly recognize. Don't worry, if you change your mind later, you can update it in the workspace settings. Now set up your project. Slack will ask what your team is working on right now. Whatever you enter here becomes the name of your first Slack channel. Think of it as your team's starting place for conversation. Short descriptive names work well, such as marketing launch or support queue. You can create more channels later for different topics, but this first one is your launchpad. Then invite your team members. Enter the email addresses of the colleagues you want to bring in. They'll receive an invitation to join your new workspace. If you're not ready to invite everyone yet, you can skip this step. Slack lets you generate a shareable link later, which is handy if you're still finalizing your list or want to post the invite in a company portal. Finally, click Finish. You'll land inside your brand new workspace, right in that first channel you created. Take a moment to send your first message to set context, something like a brief welcome and what the channel is for. This helps new members understand how to get started when they join. That's it, you've created a Slack workspace, verified your account, named it clearly, set up your first channel, and learned how to invite teammates now or later. From here, you can explore channel organization, notifications, and simple norms to keep conversations focused. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your team's new home in Slack.